Example is given with the equation x minus 5 quantity squared is equal to 16 times y minus 6. Okay, so technically this follows, or the pattern of the standard equation could be x minus h quantity squared is equal to positive negative 4p times y minus k. Okay, so ito yung standard form of equation. So in this case, kapag ganito yung equation, we can say that the orientation of this parabola is, since x yung nasa quantity na naka-square, and then this is positive, we can say that the parabola is facing up. Okay, facing up. And then, the vertex, you can identify the coordinate of the vertex that is given with h, k. So, in this case, minus h, we just take yung positive 5 since minus 5 yung nakalagay. So, that is 5, minus k, we take yung 6. So, we have 5, 6 for our vertex. And then, for the value of p, that is equivalent to, since this is 4p, we just divide this by 4. The value of p now is equal to 16 divided by 4, which is equal to 4. Okay? And then, after getting the coordinate of the vertex and knowing the value of p, we can now solve for the coordinate of the focus. So, from 5, 6, you are moving up. Pag moving up po tayo, ang nagbabago ay y coordinate or yung 6. So, since we are moving up by 4 units, we'll just add 4 dun sa 6. We'll now get the coordinate of the focus as 5, 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So, the focus is now 5, 10. And then, for our directrix, we now have, kung ito ay pataas, we add 4. Pag pababa naman, we subtract 4. So, that gives us a point 5,2. Okay? So, if your parabola is facing up, drawing natin ng saglit. If your parabola is facing up and your focus is here, your directrix is down here. And your directrix is a horizontal line. If it's a horizontal line, the equation starts with y equals, what particular point will it touch? It will touch 5,2. Therefore, we now have the equation for the directrix as y equals 2, since a horizontal line will intersect yung y coordinate ng point, or yung y-axis, which is 2. Okay? And then, for the axis of symmetry, for the endpoints of the latus rectum, that is from 5, 10, the parabola is facing up, so the movement going to the endpoints will be to the right side and the left side. Okay? To the right side and the left side. Since the length of latus rectum is 16, yung kalahati nito, which is 8, yun ang i-add at isusubtract natin. So, going to the right side from your focus, that gives us, magbabago yung x-coordinate, that gives us 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13, 10. Okay? And then, for the left side, or yung point on the left side, that is 5 minus 8, which is 5 minus 8, that is equivalent to negative 3. That's why we have here negative 3, 10. So, let's say we graph this example. We have here this graph. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and on the left side, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, let's say this is our Cartesian plane. I hope as I am drawing here and as you are listening in this recording, you are also writing in your notebook so that mas ma-retain yung ating information. So, let's say we have to graph this example. So, the vertex will be at 5, 6. that is at this point, okay, this will be your vertex. And then, from the vertex going to your focus, since the parabola is facing up, you are going to add 4 units up. Okay? So, from 5, 6, adding 4 units will count 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives us the coordinate of 5, 10. This is now our focus. And then, from the vertex going down, that is 4 units again. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4. It will touch or it will pass through this point. This is now your directrix. This has the equation y equals 2 since it passes through 2. Okay? And then the endpoints of your latus rectum, from your focus, you are moving 8 units to the right side. So that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or simply, 5 plus 8, that gives us 13, 10. Okay? And then on the left side, 8 units again. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives us negative 3, 10 as our point. And then, if we are to connect this, your parabola probably looks like this. Okay, so your parabola is facing up, okay, and it has the vertex 5, 6, a focus at 5, 10. Latus rectum has the endpoints of 13, 10, and negative 3, 10. And then, your axis of symmetry that passes through your focus and the vertex, it has now the equation x equals 5, or kung ano yung common x coordinate sa vertex at sa focus. So, your axis of symmetry is now given with the equation x equals 5. This is now your parabola with the equation x minus 5 quantity squared is equal to 16 times y minus 6.